name's Stella, and if you watched my sister's video, Maggie plays Roblox, you'll know how to get to my channel. Now, today I'm going to be playing a couple games. This is the first one. I would have to say it is one of my favorites. Called Wild Planner. It's on Roblox. If you want, you can play it. I'm being in Impala, which they have amazing stamina. Let's just see if we can find any other Impalas. I just like the way how they have the special ability to fight. That's pretty cool. Oh gosh, I can't remember how to make one. But I do see an attack ability. Let's go participate in it. Let's just I know the lion. Being attacked, Good thing is, Impalas are faster than lions. But I didn't see it. We lost it. Let's head and go see what this flight's all about. Now we got away from that lion. Is that a dead lion? Yes, it is. Okay. That's nice. Oh, okay. Alright. So, the graphics on this game got a little weird, so I'll see you guys in my next game. Okay, everyone. So now I am back and I'm in a.me, which this shouldn't be as chaotic. Let me introduce you to my very best friend. This is Marmalade. Marmalade is going to there. Yeah, this is Marmalade. My graphics are great. Okay, here, this is Marmalade, my best friend. And then this is Vaughn. Now, if you already said, okay, and let me show you my offering. I'm offering frog, do the eating, monkey papaya, and a turtle. Now, let's go see if people have some. Let's go see if any people have a ginger cat. Even though it's not this is Spanish, so it looks like. go to the next game. Now, all of you may not know about this game, but this is Star Steep. It's a horse game full of adventures. Well, while that's loading, maybe we could watch some of my sister's channel. Or maybe let's just go with it. Okay. Let's go back to Roblox. Okay. So, as you guys may see, yeah, Piggy is right here. I don't know if I should fit it or not. Okay. Let's go ahead and try. I'm watching. Yeah, that's not the Piggy. Darn it now. Sponge. There we go. We are in. This is going to be scary. Oh gosh. Okay. Why can't I go here? Oh, there's sponge. Take it. So I don't know what they used and what they didn't use. So, I don't even know where we are. Is this Mr. Crab's house? I think so. Okay. Let's just go ahead and... Oh, I can't get that through because of my ponytail. Wait, I think I made it. Yes, I made it. Okay. Let's go ahead and go up here. I'm gonna avoid that trap. Anything I need? Oh, here's a bullet. I don't think I need that. Yes, I made it. Okay. Ooh, there's money. No, that's not money. Okay. Oh. Okay, well, you know, I will be right back with you guys. Okay, so wait for a new game to here we are. Okay, so just have to find things. Oh, there's SpongeBob. We got Joe inside. Well, he's rather creepy, you know? Okay. And there should be something in here. Come on. Whoa. Did I just do the okay. I might have to switch my hair. Okay. Do I need that? Okay. I just need to find something. Oh, purple key. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably have to switch my hair. Let's do perhaps. sponge here? No? Okay. Now let's go downstairs. The poop sponge isn't here. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, I'm stuck. Alright. Okay, let's go to the here. This one, this. Now I need the green one, which I will go in a little bit. Come on. Hi, Daisy. Okay. Oh, good, I found the red one. Oh, no. That was sponge. Okay. Is he chasing me? No, he's not. No, I wasn't just going that way, buddy. Okay, well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. See you next time. Sorry, I'm no longer in sponge. Oh, okay. 3, 2, why not? Okay. Dance break. Dance break.